Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to link up your Google Ads account to YouTube. So if you just recently got enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program and you're looking to sync up your Google Ads account to YouTube, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio, and then you want to select on the left side where it says Settings and the gear icon. And on the left side, select the Channel button, and then select the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down underneath Google Ads Account Linking. Link your YouTube channel to a Google Ads account to let the linked Google Ads account run ads based on interactions with your channel's videos and to access insights with your channel videos. Go ahead and select Link Account. And then at this point, go ahead and enter in the link name as well as the Google Ads customer ID, which would be available on your Google Ads account. And then you can also I would recommend keeping all these check marked in here. So view counts, remarketing, as well as engagement or metric information. It is important, even though a lot of the RPM and other revenue data is no longer visible in the Google Ads dashboard. It's now pretty much only on YouTube. You still probably want to have them all check marked in here. And then once that's done, you would select done, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.